In this video, I'll show you tips on finding hidden albums on iPhone and unhiding photos and videos. iOS 18's new redesigned Photos app allows users to manage all folders on a single page. So when you hide single or multiple photos and videos like this, then all the hidden photos and videos will be saved under the hidden album. Scroll on the Photos app and see Hidden Album under the Utilities folder. If the hidden album is removed from this list, enable it from the profile icon. Please tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Enable the toggle Hidden Album. And that's it. As you can see, Hidden Album is available under the Utilities section. And see the hidden photos and videos saved under the Face ID protection. Select the photos you want to unhide, and under the More option at the bottom right corner, tap on the Unhide option. That's it. Your recently unhidden photos or videos are saved under the camera roll. Please like, share, and subscribe to this helpful video. Then share your feedback and questions in the comment box below.